Verona Arena, Italy. Imagine stepping into a place where ancient history and modern-day performances collide beautifully. The Verona Arena in Italy isn't just a relic of the Roman Empire. It's a living, breathing theater that's been hosting unforgettable events for nearly 2,000 years. This grand structure was originally built in 30 AD and has somehow retained its architectural splendor through centuries of use. Today, it's known worldwide for its spellbinding open-air opera performances and concerts, bringing music and history together in one breathtaking experience. When you're sitting in the Verona Arena, surrounded by those massive stone arches, you can't help but feel like you're part of something much bigger than yourself. The acoustics here are famously exceptional, designed in a way that every note reaches every corner of the arena. And whether you're watching an opera, a symphony, or even a rock concert, you're treated to a sound experience that's been perfected over millennia. The ambiance of the arena shifts with the setting sun. As dusk falls, the Verona Arena glows under the Italian sky, creating an almost magical atmosphere. Watching a performance here feels like a journey through time, as though the music itself is woven into the ancient stones around you. It's not just a show, it's an immersion into the rich legacy of Italian art and culture. For anyone passionate about history, music, or simply incredible experiences, the Verona Arena is an absolute must. It's a place where you don't just watch a performance, you feel it, you live it, and you become a part of its timeless story, just like audiences have done for generations.